Hello students, today we'll do miscellaneous exercise on chapter 6, question number 17. Show that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r by root 3. Also find the maximum volume. So in this, given the radius of the sphere is r, so that is a constant. So whatever is given is taken as a constant. We have to prove that the height is equal to the height of the cylinder. We have to prove the height of the cylinder 2r by root 3. That's what you're going to prove. Then what is the condition here? The volume should be maximum. So the volume of the cylinder is maximum. So that is the condition given. The condition is the volume of the cylinder is maximum. So let us take the radius is given as r and the height of the cylinder will take it as h, and the diameter of the cylinder will take it as some x. So in this triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 2r because the radius of the sphere is r. So 2r square is AB square, that is x square plus h square. So what is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square. We have taken the diameter as x, so radius will be x by 2. So pi r square, r is x by 2 the whole square into height. That is the volume of a cylinder. So both x and h are variables here. So we have to convert this into one variable. So that is pi by 4 x square into h. We can easily convert x square. So what is x square? X square is equal to 4r square minus h square is x square. So it is equal to pi by 4. X square is 4r square minus h square into h. That is equal to pi by 4 r square h minus h cube is equal to v. So for maximum or minimum, we have to differentiate this volume, that is dv by dh we have to find. So pi by 4r square, differentiation of h is 1 minus 3h square. So we have to find the critical points. So first we have to differentiate, equate to 0 to find the critical points. Then we have to find the second derivative. The second derivative is d square v by dh square. Substitute if it is maximum at the critical point, you will get d square v by dh square less than 0. So that is the second step. So first we have to find the critical points. So equal to 0. So 4r square minus 3h square equal to 0. So we get 3h square is equal to 4r square. Take it to the side, it will become 3h square. So h square is equal to 4r square by 3. So h is equal to 2r by root 3. We have to differentiate the function again, d square v by dh square. So pi by 4, r is a constant, so 0 minus differentiation of this is 6h. Now when you substitute h is 2r by 3, you get minus 6 into 2 minus 12 r by root 3. This is less than 0. This is a negative number, so this is less than 0. Therefore, when h is equal to 2r by root 3, the volume of the cylinder is maximum. So we have found that height is 2r by root 3 and they ask you to find the maximum volume also. So the maximum volume is volume of the cylinder, this is the volume of the cylinder, pi by 4, 4r square h minus h cube. 4r square h minus h cube. Substitute h as, we found h as 2r by root 3. So 4r square, h is 2r by root 3 minus h cube. So 2r by root 3 the whole cube. So that is equal to pi by 4, 8 r cube by root 3 minus 8 r cube by root 3 cube. Root 3 cube is 3 root 3. So that is equal to 3 root 3. So that is equal to pi by 4, 8 r cube, take it out. So 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3. So that is equal to pi by 4, 8 r cube. The LCM is 3 root 3. So when you take root 3, 3 root 3, you get 3 minus 1. That is equal to pi by 4. This is 2. So 2 pi r cube into 2 by 3 root 3. That is equal to 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3 cubic units. So that's the answer, 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3 cubic units.